In this video, we're going to show you how to fix a polyline that is not closing or joining properly in AutoCAD. Polylines are one of the most useful object types in AutoCAD because they allow multiple segments to be treated as a single object. They're commonly used for boundaries, floor plans, site layouts, hatching, and many other drafting tasks. However, there may be times when a polyline refuses to close properly or multiple segments won't join together. This can create problems when applying hatches, calculating areas, or making future edits to your drawing. The good news is that this issue is usually caused by small gaps between endpoints or by objects that haven't been converted into a compatible polyline format. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of simple methods that can help you quickly fix the problem and get your polylines working correctly again. So, let's get started. The first method is to use the pedit command. Type pedit into the command line and press Enter. Select the polyline or one of the line segments you want to join. If AutoCAD asks whether you want to convert it into a polyline, select Yes. Next, choose the Join option and select the remaining connected segments. Press Enter to complete the process. In many cases, this will successfully join the objects into a single polyline. If the polylines still won't close or join properly, zoom in closely and inspect the endpoints. Often, there is a very small gap between the lines that prevents AutoCAD from connecting them. You can move the endpoints slightly or use the Extend command to eliminate the gap. Once the endpoints touch, try the Join option again. That's all you need to do in most situations. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, use the pedit command and convert the objects into a polyline if necessary. Second, use the Join option to combine the segments into a single object. And third, check for small gaps between endpoints and correct them before trying again. Remember that even tiny gaps that are difficult to see can prevent AutoCAD from joining objects correctly. Taking a moment to zoom in and inspect your geometry can save a lot of time when troubleshooting. Working with properly joined and closed polylines makes many AutoCAD tasks easier, including hatching, offsetting, measuring areas, and modifying complex shapes. It's a simple step, but it can greatly improve the quality and efficiency of your drawings. And that's how to fix a polyline that is not closing or joining properly in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.